Hi guys, quick video. Nissan, you bunch of absolute, I'll show you, it's easier. Oil and filter change, my car, Nissan Navara, been on over 2 hours trying to change a filter. I've never seen anything like it in my life. I'm going to flick the camera around and I'll show you the reason why. So there we go, Nissan Navara, 17 plate. Get underneath. Alright. Have you ever seen anything as stupid where to put an oil filter? You can't get in it. Absolute impossibility. Hang on. See if it'll refocus. Will she refocus? Right, so you can't get in it. Absolute impossibility. The only thing I've managed to get in here, and if I can get it back off, if you bear with us. Right. Oh. Right guys, 2 seconds. So the only thing I've managed to get in there with is this, and this has been an absolute lifesaver today. US Pro. Alright. It's the spanners, the flex heads with a ratchet end. To say I'm sick is an absolute understatement. Right, cheers for watching. Like I say, these things have absolutely saved my bacon today. Cheers US Pro, you've done it again.